الله الرحمن الرحيم.
What to make a task easy and finish it with a good ending. Rabbi yassir wa la tuassir wa tammim bil khair.
Assalamualaikum, I am Zeba Tahir, the English teacher from the Educators Farooqulas campus. I am going to teach you a unit from class 7 book, English. The plot begins here. Tom, no answer. Tom is not, this name is not answered. What's gone with that boy? Another utter herd. I wonder. She is amazed. You, Tom? No answer. The old lady pulled her spectacles down and looked over them. The old lady, who is Aunt Polly, she wears her spectacles down. She is the old lady. She wears her spectacles down and see bare eyes to seek out the boy. Then she wears them. Then she put them up. Then she puts them up means she wears them and look out under them and sees through them. She seldom or never looked through them for so small thing as a boy. She hardly or she rarely or she not so often use them to seek the boy who is Tom Sawyer. See, they were her state peers. These glasses which are here mentioned in the, shown in this picture are the state peers. These are very expensive glasses. The pride of her heart, it's something she is so much, she has got pride on and were built for style. They were for styling purpose, not for the purpose of seeing or sighting, not service. Not service means they were not for the purpose of sighting. She could have seen through a pair of stubblets. She could see through anything. Like she had got perfect eyes. She looked perplexed. She looked confused for a moment and then said, not fiercely, she was not again going to utter something, but not fiercely means not so strictly, but in a loud noise still that the furniture in the room could hear her. Turn on your page to page 30. Well, if I got hold of you, I will. She said something. Will I get hold of you? If she gets to grab him, she will do something, but she is not yet finished. She did not finish, for by some time she was bending down and punching under the bed with the broom. She bent down and trying to seek out the boy under the bed here, which is here shown. She has a broom in her hand. She is punching it down under the bed. So, with the broom, and so the needed breath to punctuate the punches with. She had to take a breath to continue the sentence of she was doing the punches, so she needed a breath. She resurrected means restored. Nothing but the cat. Under the bed she found what? She found the cat. She went to the open door. There was a door open behind and stood in it and looked. She stood and in the the open door and looked out among the tomato vines. Tomato vines are the weeds bearing tomatoes that made up the garden, which was all over in the garden. No Tom. So she lifted up her voice at an angle calculated at a for distance and shouted. She did not find Tom, so she calculated her voice, not so loud, but still it was loud so that Tom could hear that. You, Tom, she again cried. There was a slight noise behind her, and she turned just in. She heard some noise and she turned around to seize or stop. Seize means stop. To seize a boy, a small boy, that by the slack of his round. Slack means a fleeky move of his roundabout and arrest his flight. Which roundabout means a jacket. So she does what? She quickly grabs his jacket and arrests his flight. Flight means run. Okay, there it is. See, she is grabbing her jacket. Okay, there I might have thought of that closet. She thinks that why did she not went into the closet to seek the boy? What have you been doing there? She asked her, what have you been doing there? Tom replies, nothing. Nothing? Look at your hands. And look at your mouth. What is that mess? Mess, what is that dirt? I don't know. And Tom replies that he doesn't know it. Here is what I'm going to assign for you today. In unit number 3, meet Tom Sawyer. The very first thing that you will do at home is title picture explanation, and this is the title picture. You need to explain what Aunt Polly is doing in this picture, right? The second task that I'm going to assign you for today is underline words explanation. See, we read the chapter, and while reading, we did underline some difficult words. Out of those difficult words, I have given you 3 from each page. From page 29, I have given you state pure, then perplexed, and the third word is fiercely. On the very next page, that was page 30, I have given you these 3 words: reselected, tomato vines, and flight. You have to seek out the meanings of these words. Another thing or another mistake that students make while writing these list of words, they capitalize the beginning letter, which is wrong. We should be doing, while making list of words, we should be making each word small. Okay, so it should be small. Don't capitalize them, don't capital them. Now, the third question or the third thing that you will do home is exercise number 8, question number 1, which is on page number 39. Here, see, what do we learn about the ant from the first long paragraph? This is what do we learn about the ant from the first long paragraph. This answer is right here on page number 29. Right, on page 29, we read about her being presentable, we read about her being so strict, and we read about her being brave and anxious for her nephew Tom. That is it. I hope you will do it all very easily and without any confusion at home. Stay safe, stay home. Good day. Allah Hafiz.